क्रिकेट की 5 बेस्ट सेंचुरी सेलिब्रेशंस। नंबर 5।
4 for the 800. He's trying.
Superb in this series, and that's the way to celebrate.
नंबर 4।
Kohli's on 97. Looking for his 100. Good. Wow. Passion.
नंबर 3।
Does Babar get it? Yes, he does. The king stands tall once again.
Well, didn't quite execute, and he knew straight away.
नंबर 2।
What's it going to be? Down the ground, one-handed, away towards the western terrace. That is an extraordinary.
नंबर 1।